Hello you beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you're doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it's one I have not had before. I went onto Etsy middle to end of August time and searched witchy Wiccan Halloween boxes and one of them has not yet arrived, but one of them arrived this morning and I'm very excited. And I didn't realise this is quite a big company. I thought it was just an Etsy shop, but they have an Etsy shop and they have a website and they have everything else. But this is from Cures and Curses and it is their Dia de los Muertos box. And I'm very excited to open it. Just go to my Etsy quickly because I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like 30 quid. I think it was like £30, £29.95 and £3 postage and packaging. So yeah, this is the Dia de los Muertos box, which is Day of the Dead. It is I think it's like a multi-day festival, and it is celebrated between, I want to say Halloween and the 2nd of November. I feel like I'm right on that. If I'm not, please let me know. And it is a celebration of those that you have lost. Your family members, your friends, anyone you have lost. It is a celebration where you remember them and you honour them, and it's always something that I've been drawn to. I have a tattoo with a traditional kind of face on my leg, which I absolutely love. Her name is Gladys, which is not a particularly traditional name, but she's called Gladys. I name all my tattoos, and I'm aware that may be strange, but it has happened, so we're going to move on. Let's get into this box. I am super excited. I have no idea what is in it. Oh, it is a big box. I'm hoping my little boy is going to stay asleep while I film this. Fingers crossed. So, it's a heavy box, and as I said, it's a big box. All you can see is packing peanuts. I love these, they're brilliant, but they just makes the best. Ben comes home and he's like, what has happened in our room? I'm like, well, a lot of unboxings have happened is what has happened. So we've got a bag, right, and that says fragile. I'm just gonna put all the packing peanuts back in here and then we'll get into this.
3 days later.
Okay, they're all away. So we've got a little leaflet and then we've got a print, which is beautiful. And it says Day of the Dead. Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos, is a Mexican celebration where families gather to honour the memory of deceased loved ones on November the 1st and 2nd. Okay, not Halloween. Spirits are guided home to enjoy offerings left out for them on meticulously crafted altars. Its roots are fusions of traditions found in Europe, Mesoamerica, particularly the ancient Aztec Empire. The altar is a complex creation with incredible symbolism. Each element carries specific meaning. Elements to include fire, water, incense, paper, flowers, banquet, seasonal fruits and vegetables. Calaveras, white cross. There's different levels. Ofrendas can be made up of 2 or 3 or several levels. Representation, the division between the sky and the earth. 3 levels, representation of the sky, the earth and the underworld. 7 levels. 7 levels, not 7 levels. This is the most common and relate to the 7 levels that a soul must traverse before reaching heaven or hell. It relates to the 7 deadly sins. So it tells us there all the little bits about it. And I'm going to open this first because it says fragile on it. Oh my goodness, is this bunting? What is it? Oh my goodness, look at these. Oh wow. Look. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to fully unravel these. Wow, they're absolutely stunning. They've all been paper cut. I'm going to try and hold it up without, I don't want to rip anything. So, look. There's all different colours, there's so many of them. That is gorgeous. Let's get in the bag and see what we can find. it tells you on the back. So we've got a papel picado, and I'm sorry if I'm butchering the pronunciations. I can understand quite a lot of Spanish, but I'm not very good with my pronunciations. Is the name given to delicate tissue paper flags chiseled with variety of patterns and traditionally used to decorate Day of the Dead altars or ofrendas. I love that. Right, let's get in this bag. I love that it's in a bag. Something in here smells amazing as well. Oh my goodness. This is a marigold design garland. Wreaths or garlands of marigolds are traditionally used to decorate Day of the Dead ofrendas. These handmade garlands are made from upcycled materials which would otherwise go to landfill. So not only look great, but are kind to the environment too. That's beautiful. Oh, look at the colours on that. That is going to go on here because that is just absolutely gorgeous. I love that. Oh, love it. What is in here that smells so good? What are you? Cherry Grove Simmering Granules. Oh my god, this smells amazing. Incense granules. Bright and vibrant, these incense granules can be used either as an ambient granulated potpourri scattered around your ofrenda or as a teaspoon placed on an oil burner for a more intense aroma. I've never seen those before. That is so cool. Cherry is one of my favourite smells, so that is beautiful. I want to move these because I'm so worried I'm going to rip them. I'm going to pop them over there. I keep catching them with my nails and I don't want to rip them. Okay, next up, Resin Incense. Copal incense resin. Copal incense was burned in the Mesoamerica in ancient times and is still burned for special ceremonies and often placed on or near Day of the Dead altars as another olfactory element to draw in the spirits. I recently bought some like incense rocks which were really interesting, and I think this is what these are going to be like. They smell really lovely as well. Awesome. What have we got in here? What are you? A skull designed ofrenda cloth. A traditional sugar skull design imprinted onto 100% cotton cloth. Oh my god, this is going to be amazing. Oh wow. It's huge. Wow. I'll make sure I've got it right. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Like seriously. I hope you can appreciate the colours on that. Oh my god. That is going on my wall. I absolutely love that. That is going on my wall. Beautiful. Wow, this box is incredible. I've got 2 candles. Everything here smells amazing. So we've got handmade votive candles. These handmade soy candles are a perfect addition and supplied in Sicilian cold pressed lemon and bubblegum. Wow. And they've got sugar skulls on them as well. They smell amazing. Everything in this box smells bloody amazing. Wow. I've got some neon wax melts, handmade soy wax melts, handmade from 100% soy wax and scented in peppermint green and cold pressed orange. Oh my goodness, the colour on these. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, the mint. The mint is so... I can't smell the orange. Let me just get an orange one on its own. Oh yeah. They smell like sort of orange sherbet. Look how pretty they are. And then like a rose. And oh, I'm trying to get in without getting it behind my nails. A little flower. The mint on that is intense. Like intense. Wow. What else have we got? I've got a grey agate skull bracelet. Oh, that's cute. Agate is a stone for protection. It's one of the oldest stones in recorded history. Agate attracts strength. Agate is an excellent stone for rebalancing and harmonising body, mind and spirit. It cleanses and stabilises the aura, eliminating and transforming negative energy. I'm getting that on right now. So the bracelet has got the stones on it, and then it's got a little skull on it as well. I'm wearing that immediately. And then the last thing in here is our Resin Skull. A hand-painted resin skull. This decorative hand-painted skull is cast in resin and finished with its bright and vibrant Day of the Dead floral design. That is gorgeous. Look at the painting on that. That is absolutely incredible. Wow. I absolutely love that box. There is nothing in that that will not get used. I know, as I said before, I know these boxes are not for everyone, but it makes my heart happy to do these. And then obviously we've got the print as well. Let me know what you think. I think that was amazing value for money. This on its own is just like, I just think that is incredible. Like, I'm so excited to put that up. I think that is absolutely amazing. And it's lots of, I love incense and candles. I've said this before in other videos as well. It's physically impossible to have too much incense or candles in your house. Just a fact of life. Yeah, let me know what you think. Have you ever had this box? I will 100% be buying another one of these boxes because I absolutely loved it. My mum has actually asked me what I want for my birthday, which is in November, and I said I don't really need anything. She said, we gotta have something, so I might get her to get me a subscription to this. Let me know what you think. Yeah, thanks so much, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.